All right, so I'm back. We are going to go ahead and fix this air pocket right here. First thing you're going to need is your polyurethane gun that came standard in your repair kit. It's an injection gun with a mix head right here with your cartridge, and then a couple little needles right here. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and locate that air pocket and find the very top. Once we have the very top, we're going to go ahead and poke what we call a release needle, and that's going to allow all the air to come up and out of that. Okay, so then what we'll do is we'll inject this towards the bottom, and you'll actually feel that go right up in there, and then start squeezing that gun. And you see that air pocket actually start to bulge a little bit. Then what you want to do is you want to kind of push that air pocket down a little bit, fill it up, let it bulge just a little bit, and then massage it down and let that polyurethane leak out of there so it can take back its regular form, so it's nice and flat. Once the polyurethane stops coming out of your needle, that's when you know you're about there. You just want to make sure that it's not bulging out anymore. You want it completely flat. So we're going to let that one sit for just a minute, and we'll work on a lot smaller one right here, right below here. There we go. See that air pocket right there. You can kind of see my finger going in it. Go and put the needle right above it, like I said. Start injecting. See it bulge. Here it comes out of the needle. Make sure you flushed all that air out of there. And pull this one out. Massage that down just a little bit. Go ahead and yank that out. Wipe it with a rag. Wait for it to set up, and you're good. So let's try another one here. All right, so locate that air pocket again. Go ahead and put your needle towards the top. And if you push on that air pocket once you've filled another air pocket, you'll see the air come out of that needle. if my camera was centered. Go ahead and show you here. Going to massage it down a little bit. It's good to go. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thanks again.